In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to create a private server in the Roblox mobile app. First, and find any game or experience you want to play or use the private server on. Next, press the blue play button to do so. Once you're in the game, go ahead and tap the icon showing two people in the top right corner. And if the game supports creating private servers, it'll show as an option here. Keep in mind, though, that some games charge a monthly Robux fee for private servers. But once you do, enter a name for your server, review the subscription price, and tap subscribe, and the server is created. You can select customize, and from here, you can control who is allowed to join, add specific server members, allow connections, or copy the private server link. When you're finished adjusting the settings, return to the server page, and your new private server should now appear in the list. Tap join to launch the game and inside your private server. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.